Hey, hi, hello, welcome back to my new video. This is Sampath. You're watching Sampath Samfx YouTube channel, and this is Poco X3 custom ROM race Miui Cake 13.0.1 version. And this is a quick settings panel. You can see here Android version is 12 and security patch is 7/1/2022. All specs, if I go here, it has recognized as Poco X3 only, and kernel used here is 4.1 4.190. perf kernel has been used. This is how it is. This is the typical home screen you get, and this is a app drawer. You can group it out, and this is a quick settings panel as I shown before, and this is the settings panel. Now moving into this home screen settings, let's press and hold here. You get options. First one is the wallpapers. You get these molten glass, all the 10 wallpapers as you can see, and crystallization again 9, all are available, and concato, nature patterns. These are just Miui 13 based ROM, hence those things are available here. And dialer, you get a proper Miui dialer here. You can see direct video call feature is available here, and call recording is also available. That will not announce the other person that you are recording the call. And benchmark results, like all these things were tested in performance mode. As you can see, 3,58,149 was the score when I running the Android benchmark, and you can see 1.7 degrees Celsius is the temperature rise, and 4% of battery has been dropped during this testing for Poco X3. This is a Miui 13.0.1 version, Miui Cake version precisely. And camera, I have installed this build Gcam, and there is a Miui camera also. Obviously, as you can see, you can use both the camera applications, the Gcam and also the Miui camera, the NX camera, whatever it comes with. The ROM vlog mode, all the options has been working fine, no problem regarding that. And I used Miui 13.0.1.0 global firmware only while flashing this particular ROM. And Geekbench scores, again, it's quite obvious in performance mode it was, and 558 was a single score and 1770 was the multi score. And you can see Linux 4.1 4.190, so yeah, perf kernel has been used, and Android version 12. It's how it is. And DRM information, again you get level 1 certification. As you can see, you can watch all the ODT application in high definition resolution. What about the safety net status? Let's see. It's get failed here. Again you need to manually pass it out. Many people asking me about this regarding in the comment section. Use the Magix model, guys. Check out my video. In some of the videos you can check out, I have shown how to flash the models using Magix. You should try that video, check out that video. Use the safety net status fix, use that file and flash through models. You should use that model in order to make it pass out the safety net status. Then you can use all the payment applications. That's going to work here. Me video and the audio files has been given here. No audio, no, it's missing here. And security feature, let's check it out which version it is. You get all the options here. Toolbox, game turbo mode, you can make it out vertical also. That's it in this home screen, nothing more. I don't want this Android Auto. Let's see in the app information. No, you can't disable the app. You can just uninstall the updates. I really don't like it. And here also in the home screen you can make this kind of options. Security edit icon, only certain apps have been given. You can make here 1:2 default and press this tick button. Those edit options has been given, as you can see. Other than that, nothing more here. And it's smooth. The UI wise everything is smooth here, as you can see. And you also get this gallery application. And I have been running the CPU throttling test from last 8 minutes and 37 seconds. You can see the maximum score was around 189 and average is 160 and minimum is 118 million GPS, and it's throttled to 82% of its max performance. There is little bit of throttling has been going, and this is 100 thread test case. In previous video also I was running 100 threads only, 100 thread test only. You can see here I enabled the performance mode here. You guys can see with that this is the result you get. And the gallery application, you won't get any much of options here. It's quite similar only. In the edit section you get this sky feature. As you can see, just it needs to be downloaded, and the picture whatever you are showing should have sky in the image, then it can edit further. Screen recording options, again you can see here into the settings. You can see resolution up to 1080p has been given, video quality up to 600 mbps is given, orientation you get both here, sound again system sounds and mic, both the sounds you cannot record, and fixed frame rate up to from 15 to 90 fps has been given here, which is good thing. And some of the touch gestures and visualization, navigation, those things are given here. That's how it is. It's simple, nothing fancy you can expect from this MIUI cake, but people requested to do this. The user interface wise it is very smooth. The performance of the ROM is really great in my opinion. Connection sharing, you get Mi Cast here and even Mi Share, and even the printing option and airplane mode and portable hotspot options has been given. VPN, private DNS options you can use from here, wireless display, some of the other options you can check out on the screen. And Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity, I haven't faced any problems here. Wallpapers and personalization, I already shown you wallpapers. And regarding icons, you need to use this use the number of themes, then you can change the icons. And background color option has been given. If you press green here, let's see in the home screen any difference you can notice. Nothing, it's just a given, but make it default. And library, you get these kind of wallpapers, no live wallpapers, must have, they have given. Nothing new here. And ringtones, again these things I will explain in sound settings. And sound and vibration, you get notification, ringtones, alarms, silent mode and do not disturb mode, notify about calls, vibrate for calls. Haptic feedback, just you need a option, just enable or disable, that's it. Profile video for incoming calls. Additional settings, you get these options, enable or disable. And sound effects, you get just this preset, nothing Dolby Atmos or anything like that. Notification control center, again control center style new and old has been given. Shade, you get MIUI and Android, keep it whatever you want. Group notifications has been given. App notification, if you want you can enable or disable from here. Additional cards, if you want you can use smart home. Now moving into some of the other settings, like as I said, home screen, you get lot more options here. Default launcher you can change from here, it's a MIUI launcher. Animation speed you can adjust from here. I kept faster. If you want relaxed and balanced, you can choose it, and even you can increase the rate of it. And disable, if you want to disable the animations, you can do that from here. And system navigation, again buttons, you will get traditional buttons and you can mirror them also. And gestures options has been included here. Go back to previous app, if you want you can disable from here. Home screen, again classic, app drawer and light mode options has been given. If you want you can use them. Scroll bar, you get original and A to Z. -1 screen, as I said, I kept Google Discover. If you want app vault and if you want global app vault, just enable this. Let's see, new widget section won't work after enabling. That's what they want to show. Double tap to screen lock screen has been given. New unlock animation, and it reverted back. Let's go into again the home screen. Okay, fill cells of uninstalled apps and lock screen, home screen layout. Home screen layout, again 4:6 has been given. If you want you can keep up to 9:16 also. And don't show text, you can enable or disable from here. Search bar provider also, just Google has been given. AOSP, if you want you can add them here. Old widgets provider and text from widgets, if you want you can enable or disable. The good thing is arrange items in recents, you can see here iOS style. It is quite fast here, as you can see. You can see all the apps here, but it is in smaller section. If you want you can keep it horizontal also. That's present in this particular ROM, iOS style recent. If you want you can disable from here. Other like task size and landscape mode, you can adjust the size from here. Blur and recents, you can make it out here. You can even restart the launcher. And these are the options you get here. Memory status, you can check out from here. And floating windows, if you want any app to be chosen in floating windows, you can choose from here. And if you want to drag and close that, you can close that. Passwords and security, you get screen lock, fingerprint unlock and face unlock. Let me show you that. Fingerprint unlock is very quick, as you can see. Just unlock your smartphone using the fingerprint unlock. And now the face unlock, as you can see, it's even quicker than the fingerprint unlock. Just tap it, gets unlocked. You get options to touch and press, and even the face unlock that stay on the lock screen options, you can find out them here. Privacy protection, safety and emergency, those are present here. Battery, again, as I said, if you want a performance mode, keep it in the performance, you get a better experience. A balance, it will give medium performance and medium battery life. If you want very good battery life, then you can go to save battery. You need to know when to use this, when to not use these options, then the experience will be even better in my opinion. And this is the app section. You get app locker, you can access from here. Dual apps options has been given here. System app settings, you can change from here. Manage apps if you want to uninstall, and app behavior and performations, you can check out from here. And other options like additional settings, you get date and time, language and input, and region, you can see here what all the regions available. All the regions and languages has been given here, you can check out. People ask about this, those are present in this particular ROM. LED light options, you can see from here. Quick ball options has been given. If you want, you can use that or disable from here. One-handed mode is also working fine, no problem regarding that. Clear speaker and accessibility menu is also working fine. Memory extension up to 2 GB. This is a 6 GB variant. If you have 8 GB, it might be 3 GB. Enterprise mode is also given in this particular ROM. Special features, nothing more here. Floating windows I already shown you. Second space is given. Light mode is also given in this particular ROM. And by the way, if you're first time to this channel, hit that subscribe button down below, guys, and also allow the bell notification by pressing the bell icon. And if you like the video, give it a like. And this is the quick settings toggle. In the edit section, you might get some of the other options, just one options. If you don't want to add them, for example, this lock orientation or like ultra battery saver, just press this minus, it will come back to here. And let's see PUBG new state, how it handles. And the experience in the UI is really smooth. Let's see how it handles. You guys can see here the graphic settings is set to light plus 90 fps, as you can see. If you want, you can keep medium and HDR and up to extreme options has been given here, but 90 fps option, most of them use it. I haven't enabled gaming mode here. The new state hasn't recognized that much. Maybe you can manually add that in the game mode and have those access of game mode. Nothing more you get. You just get that audio changer and some of the options to boost the memory. You can directly make it out the performance mode as I shown before. And the audio quality is also fine here. Even in the gaming, you can see up to 90%. I have already kept it. Let me lower down a little bit. Yeah, it's not as loud as some of the other ROMs, but still you can make it out using those dual stereo speakers. No, I was following. No, I don't want to follow. Stop following. Okay. Let's jump into Poco. You can see this is new state, guys, not a PUBG Mobile or BCMI. And you can see there is no lag whatsoever while playing this game, because usually this PUBG new state won't be working in many of the custom ROMs. In Miui based custom ROMs, it's going to work really well. That's why I want to show this out. And people who are complaining about Apex Legends, many people like the game, I also, but it's going to shut down soon. I really felt bad about that. It was a very good game actually, but for Poco X3 it might be not a great, because the performance for that particular games you need a little bit more. Here it's fine enough. For a Snapdragon 732G, it's still capable to handle these kinds of battle royale games. You can see it was stuck for a minute. Now it's fine actually. There is a little bit of throttling I am noticing in the performance, not in the internet connection here. Let's see how it handles. The device is not getting warm even after using this, and even while testing the benchmark results, even it was not hot. Let's check out. I found someone here in this building. Let's see. Okay, I should disable the solder buttons, then it would be easy, because we like to play those games like BGM and PUBG Mobile. Those have that option. Those don't have that solder button options. Here it is enabled by default. There is a little bit of like, it's not too smooth while playing the game. That's I can notice within a fraction of seconds of playing. It's not unplayable, but smoothness in the game, at least in this game, it's not optimized well or not, I don't know, based on 732G, but that's how it is. We'll come back here, and that's it guys. If you want to use it as a daily driver, MIUI Cake edition, I don't know when they push the updates, but someone who want MIUI type of custom ROMs, anything change, I even don't notice here. MIUI X edition was also available, and even EU ROMs are available, and Indonesia, China mod ROMs are available. Why you need to use this, I also don't know. If you are using it as a daily driver, and the charging support, 33-watt charging support is there, and reboot options, you get direct options to boot into recovery, everything is fine. I don't think so. Is it a daily driver? I don't think so, but it all depends upon you. If you want to use it as a daily driver, you can have it out, just need to manually pass the safety net status. We'll meet with another interesting video guys. Until that, keep smiling. Bye bye for now.